at what's happening when you are not paying attention to your surroundings. Look at this other situation. Stick around. Here are some tips to help you. Look around before you get in your car. Look at your surroundings. Always pay attention. Look before you get in your car. Bam, just like that. As soon as you get in your car, the first thing that you do is you lock your door.
Car safety awareness tips daw. Look around you before you get into your car. Check, 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 check. Okay. Walang tao. Close the door daw agad, tapos lock. Yan. Close and then lock. Okay. Hold up ba to? Sige. Kunin mo na yung wallet ko. Okay, okay. Go. Huwag kayong maniniwala sa car safety awareness tips na yon dahil case-to-case basis yan. Bakit kamo? Dahil kung ganito ang sasakyan mo, hindi yon applicable. So kung ganito yung sasakyan nyo, hindi applicable yung car safety awareness tips na yon. Walang kwenta yung car safety awareness na yan.
Nananawagan ako sa kung sino man yun ang hold up sa akin kanina. Kung pwede pakibalik lang yung listahan ng mga may utang sa akin nang sa gayon masingil ko sila.